Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove Lite FRP Huawei Wi-Fi 2018. See nicely complete videos. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. After then connecting any, choose SIM card. After the next, then connecting Wi-Fi. You see now I want to put it password. After then is making next. See is making next. You see after then making next, then press the you see after then again next. You see I have FRP not get it a skip option. After then go to back. You have any network SIM card you are using, then press A. After then press this side, then again, then you see you are get it that option. You have put SIM card, any SIM card, then after then press A, then get it 3 dots, then press 3 dot. You see now you are get it message, and then press this message, then is open Gmail. After then press the, then again press. Only I want to show you the is working, not working. Okay, then press next, then press this side. Easy open this Google account. Is working. Only just small time take it. After then is your phone 100% is done. See there, now it's done. Please don't forget my subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. Only just small time you take it, you are open phone easy. After the next, just wait now, then press. You see it's changing lock. Now I am put it lock, that one, which one I am put it. You see skip option is on, then press, done. Next, again press. See it's done 100% this phone. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video.